Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you. It is Monday, Monday the 25th of November, and we had our first back-to-back red day since, 1st of October, I think. Let's just jump right into TradeZella. That's going to be the easiest. Today we had a net loss of 1154 across the accounts. I did lose one of my U-Profit accounts, account number 2, which is the account that I had on the roller coaster on Friday. And that account, for some reason, I've just struggled with that specific account. I did end up blowing it today. Unfortunately, had a pretty rough day with the Apex accounts and the other 2 U-Profit accounts we had a profit on. But looking at the cumulative total, down 1150 today. We had a red day on Friday, red day today. Red day Friday was only on 2 U-Profit accounts. Didn't trade Apex. Traded all my accounts today and ended up red. So it was a tough couple of days for me, but we are still up 2,200 on the month as a total for all of the accounts, and I am happy about that. And hopefully we can at least put together a couple more winning days and finish the month on a positive note. October was the best month we had since the springtime, and October we were down 293, so pretty much a break-even month. And yeah, right here was the last time I had back-to-back red days, October 1st and 2nd. So today, again, like we said, 1150 in losses today. So that's that. But yeah, let's dive into some of the trades here. We can kind of see the day itself. 28% win rate, not very good. Did have a nice average win to loss, which is like, if you've been following my channel, you know that this is something I'm really working on, trying to improve, and it does help out. And it really is something that stands out to me on one of my U-Profit accounts, which I'll get to in a second. I actually have a losing win rate, but I am very nicely in profit on that account, and it's because I am cutting my losers and I'm allowing my winners to run, and it really makes a difference. So anyway, there is TradeZella. Let's look at the Apex side of things today. I think the summary for me, and I've kind of pondered it this afternoon, I quit trading my funded accounts by early afternoon, and the rest of the day I just kind of spent, pondering a little bit. And I think I'm in a point, or I've been in a point the last several days where I am not patient, and I am taking very poor setups due to impatience and due to me anticipating what I think is going to happen in the market without waiting for confirmation of said move to occur. And I believe that is where the trouble has come in for me recently, and I think that definitely played its way today. Take, for example, I took 2 trades or 3 trades pre-market this morning. All of them were losing trades, and I was anticipating a move down. I was anticipating this continuation, which is a chase. That's not a very smart setup. This was really a hitchhiker that I didn't take profit on and got stopped out, and that's on me. This was one I really should have had profit on, and I didn't take it because I was looking for a bigger move and did get stopped out. That's unfortunate. This one here is really a hitchhiker long, which is what I took. It just didn't that one there, it just didn't follow. So that was just a fake out. You're going to have those. And then as the day wore on the Apex side of things, on NQ, here we had, this was an okay short. No, this is a long. I went long here, and this really was more of a short setup than a long. We had a continuation trend here. We did have a hold on ES at the same time, which is why I went long, and I had opportunity to get out of this trade with profit and didn't take it. Again, looking for a bigger move, got stopped out. Here went long. I basically re-entered the trade. That was a nice win, and then the last 3 was kind of a fake out to the upside, and it got me every time. And so I was out of that with 3 like $70 losers. So I guess today, maybe I'm just pondering bigger picture, but on Apex, I didn't take that bad of a setup on these trades. Some of them didn't work out. I did have a really nice trade on ES. I took 2 short trades on ES with my Apex accounts. This one here was a little bit over 2R trade right here, 5 micros, and out with very nice profit there. So kind of should have just ended it at that point. That trade was at about 11, almost 12 o'clock, and that really, I should have just ended it there. I would have been down maybe $120 or so at that point across all accounts. But in either case, I mean, we're still not in a bad position by any stretch of the imagination. We just simply had a red day. So, but I do want to be a little bit more careful with my Apex accounts and be a little bit more patient, and honestly, even more so on UProfit. I really feel strongly even more so on UProfit. Evals took a couple trades with this Apex account, did not do so well, and also had some losing trades on this take profit account. So anyway, just overall, it's just not a good day. Now let's jump to UProfit. I want to show you those accounts. And so for today on this is the oldest one, what I call the UProfit 1 account. This account here, we had a red day on Friday, and today we were up $895, so almost $1,000 in profit today, and I have that account back to 52,405. So this is, I'm sorry, I misspoke. This is the newest one. This is what I call account number 3, UProfit 3. I did have a red day with this account on Friday and did get it back today. So yeah, we're up to $2,400 in profit. I have not taken a payout on this account, but definitely headed the right direction there. And the other one is this one right here. This is the one I've taken 2 payouts from. Had a $970 profit day today. So we're at over 4,000 in profit again. Now I want to just, whoops, cancel that. What's going on here? Let's see if we can delete this. There we go. The trades I took today, and again, I feel like I should be a little bit more patient. I took, I think I took 4 or 5 trades on this account. No, maybe 6. Looking for breakdowns here in the morning that didn't play. I did have a winning trade here, and then I had some losing trades here looking for the short breakdown, and then finally did get it. And again, I really feel like even though I'm winning a lot of, or I'm winning cumulatively as a total, there are some setups where I know I'm taking, as I said earlier, that I'm just not taking the best of setups. And if I had a little bit more patience and waited for confirmation, I think the results would be a lot better. So that's something I definitely want to focus on. But in any case, very happy with this account. I want to move to the dashboard, if you will, and it might make a little bit more sense here. So this is the accounts. This is the account that I was just talking about. This is the oldest one that I call UProfit number 1. So we have 4,000 in profit, which means that I can, after one more trading day, I can take my 3rd payout. So if I have a $200, even just, I just need a trading day tomorrow. Here's something that I didn't realize, and I just realized this today. With UProfit, I thought you needed 5, see it says trade 200 at least 5 days. I thought you needed $200 in profit per day. That is incorrect. You need to have a net profit of $200 and have traded for at least 5 days. It's a pretty low bar. It's a pretty low bar. So I have 4 trading days after today. And let me show you. The trading days are right here. This day does not count. That's the day my last payout was approved. And so I received the payout on the 20th. This trading day counts as 1, 2, 3. This red day counts as day 3, and today was day 4. Today is the 25th of November. So I have 4 trading days, and I need to have a profit during those 5 days, or after 5 trading days, I need to have a profit of at least 200 before you can request a payout. So that's a pretty low bar. It's pretty easy. So in any case, I need one more trading day. Hopefully I can have that. Well, I can have a trading day tomorrow, and my goal is to have a profitable trading day tomorrow. And if that's the case, we'll throw another 4,000 or 2,000, and we will have taken 6,000 out of this account. So that is the goal. And unless we really screw things up, we should be in place to do that. Now let's look at the other account that I have. I did blow the middle one, the number 2 account that I was talking about. I did lose that one today. I had a $1,500 loss on it. I had, I think I had about a $1,500 loss or $1,200 loss or something like that on Friday. And I just kind of, I just didn't trade it very well at all this morning, and ended up losing it. But so on this account, the number 3, we have 3 trading days. We're at 2,400 in profit. And if you look at it, see here, we have 1, 2, 3 days traded. So in my opinion, I want to see this account get to 54,000 in profit before I request a payout, because when I take a payout, my static drawdown goes to 50,000. So if I can get this account to 4,000 in profit before I withdraw, I can take out 2,000 and I still have a $2,000 buffer. Now, the other thing I can do is if I get this up to 53,000, I can just withdraw $1,000. And I still have my $2,000 buffer. So we'll see. I kind of feel like trying to get these things to 4 and take out $2,000 increments, but I don't know. I may take out a little bit less. We'll see kind of how the year goes and the next couple of days go. I really wanted to take another payout in the month of March, the month of November, just because it's not like it's something that I have to do. I'm just really trying to push my payouts and try to, push this along. So I want to take some more payouts. But in any case, that's the skinny on the U-Profit accounts, and the lesson that the new thing that I learned is that the trading days do not have to be winning days. You just need to have 5 trading days and have a net profit of more than $200. So anyway, that is that. One thing I did notice again today, even like after this big move, and once we got here, after I stopped trading, this thing just went flat. And we did have a nice little move here at the end of the day. I mean, obviously I wasn't trading it, but I wonder if this week's going to be kind of like this. We have a big move in the morning and we just kind of go sideways because there's a little bit lower volume with the holiday, with Thanksgiving coming on Thursday. Personally, and I'll give you more updates here as the week goes on. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be trading the rest of the week. I will be trading tomorrow and probably Wednesday, I think. I'm not 100% sure yet. Friday, I don't know. I'm not even sure if the markets are open. And Monday, I don't know yet as well. So I'm going to have a couple more days here before we get to the Thanksgiving break. And then I may not have another update until we get into the first week of December. So just depends. I've got a lot of things going on, and I'm just not sure how much I'm going to trade. But in any case, my biggest focal point right now is just, I don't want to do more damage here. I want to put another, get these accounts back into green, and I'm trading these quite well, but I want to get a couple more green days back. But I'm not going to push these Apex accounts too hard. The real focus for me right now this week is to try to get my U-Profit accounts moving along, and so I can take another payout there. So anyway, that's pretty much it. That's a wrap. Just another quick thank you to all of you guys that use code BCT for Apex and Take Profit Trader. Thank you. I appreciate that. It helps me out. If you're new, feel free to like and subscribe. I try to do these updates every single day that I trade and take you along on my trading journey. And before I wrap up, I do want to go over the market itself and the trends that we're in, just kind of reevaluating the end of the day. So today we did have this morning, this was my bias. We had this gap fill on NQ, and we also had a gap on ES, and we opened this morning somewhere in here, and I was looking for that gap to fill, and we did fill it, and I really feel like the pullback we got today was really a bullish move. We kind of have broken out of this channel that we've been in both on ES and NQ. ES is definitely a lot stronger than what NQ is, and I think that is really poised for further upside. I mean, we're kind of stair-stepping this thing up, and so my hope is that this continues. The other thing I did notice today is that the Dow made new record highs. This yellow line was the previous record highs on the Dow at the 44.23s, and we did break out of that today, and we made new highs, which was the initial balance high, this green line, basically at about the 44,914. So we have record new highs, which we have seen this happen several times now this fall, of record highs on the Dow, which is awesome to see. And I think just all of these things together, the fact that the Dow's at record highs, ES is very strong. ES is very, very strong. We are flirting with the recent record highs on ES. Those two being at that level. The Dow is a little bit behind, or the Dow, goodness, I can't speak. The NASDAQ, the nasty Nas, is a little bit behind that, but I do believe that all of these are really looking for further upside. So I would kind of anticipate the next couple of days, hopefully we see this market continue to trend higher. I like trading the bullish market a lot better than I like trading the bearish market, so I welcome that. I typically do quite well on uptrends, and so hopefully that's the case. It certainly looks that way. We had pullbacks out of these levels, pull back to this main level, and looking to reload again, as we see on ES. and as we have seen on the Dow. The Dow kind of fell apart, but over the last several days, we've seen this thing also take this kind of stair-step approach higher. So hopefully my thesis is correct and that continues. And if so, we'll do our best to capitalize. So you do the same. I hope you had a great trading day today. I hope you did better than I did. And thank you, by the way, for the comments on my video on Friday. Appreciate that. Love hearing from y'all and hearing how you're doing and so on and so forth. So once again, have a great night. Have a good trading day tomorrow. Be careful out there. And I will do my best to have another update for you tomorrow afternoon. Take care and so long.